Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make homemade petroleum jelly. First, gather your ingredients: pure beeswax pellets and a liquid oil like olive or jojoba. You'll need about 1 part beeswax to 4 parts oil for a good consistency. Make sure all your tools, like your double boiler and containers, are thoroughly cleaned and sterilized. This ensures your homemade jelly is safe and free from contaminants. Let's get started on this simple and rewarding DIY project. Next, set up a double boiler. Place your beeswax pellets in the top pot. Heat the water in the bottom pot gently until the beeswax completely melts into a clear liquid. Once melted, slowly pour in your chosen liquid oil, such as olive or jojoba. Stir the mixture constantly with a clean utensil. This ensures the beeswax and oil are thoroughly combined, creating a uniform base for your homemade jelly. Consistency is key here. Once the beeswax and oil are fully mixed, carefully pour the warm liquid into your prepared, sterilized containers. Small jars or tins work perfectly. Do not cover them immediately. Let the mixture cool and solidify completely at room temperature. This process can take a few hours. Once firm, your homemade petroleum jelly is ready. Store it in a cool, dark place to maintain its quality and extend its shelf life. You can customize your homemade petroleum jelly by adding a few drops of skin-safe essential oils, like lavender or tea tree, once it has slightly cooled but is still liquid. This adds a pleasant scent and potential therapeutic benefits. Use your finished product as a moisturizer for dry skin, a lip balm, or even to soothe minor irritations. It's a versatile and natural alternative. Check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.